Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ice cubes. Any kind of crushed ice will thicken up your smoothies without adding any allergens at all. You can have a ton of fun with making fruit-infused ice in your ice cube trays. Freeze whole fruit or fruit juice in ice trays, or you can even make coconut milk ice cubes to add to your smoothie.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 tips to make a smoothie thicker. Use frozen fruit or freeze fruit overnight. I always have a stash of bananas in the freezer because they're perfect in smoothies. Freeze some of the liquid. Use the minimum amount of liquid. Add a scoop of raw oats or chia seeds. Blend protein powder or greens first.
Make your mark, take our lead.
6 ways to make smoothies without bananas. Oatmeal. The key to using oatmeal in a smoothie is to finely grind it first. Avocado. Avocado has a different flavor profile and color than banana, but it can be used to make a very thick and creamy smoothie. Chia seeds. Frozen fruit. Yogurt. Silken tofu.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you find lots of foam after your blend, it's typically coming from the type of fruit or leafy greens you add to your green smoothies. The reason for this is insoluble fiber, which is usually found in the skin of fruits and vegetables.
Take our lead.
Conclusion. Don't just add ice or water if you want to thicken or thin your smoothies. Think outside the box and look for new flavor profiles, ingredients high in nutrients you might be lacking, and ways to make your smoothie taste even better, whether you want to make it thicker or thinner.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.